Hi Colorado, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here once again at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. So today I want to talk to you about the most safest range ever. And it's not just one specific kind. I'm actually going to talk to you about a category of ranges. But first, let's set some ground rules. What most of America has today is this right here. This is called a freestanding range. Now you can get this in electric and you can get it in gas, and then most of the markets that our stores are in, they're electric markets. But let me tell you why this is normal but not necessarily the safest kind. And I want you to think about having to reach over the flame or the heat to touch the control panel. And so right away you've got a risk of touching pots and pans and getting some heat, some flame, or just residual heat from whatever's going on the top when you have to go back here to control things. Now, these also have knobs in the front, but because there's some controls in the back, that puts you at some kind of risk. Now, not any extraordinary risk. This is what most America has in their homes, these freestanding ranges. And the great thing about them is they cost the least of everything that's out there. But let me show you something that would actually be an improvement for you. And that's when we go over here. And these are slide-in ranges. So basically these ranges are designed just to slide into place, a lot like a freestanding, but there's no control panel on the back. Instead, you get to see your beautiful tile on the back. So now every one of the controls are in front of the heat source. It's all in front, so I can do everything from here and everything from here. It's wonderful. It's a lot more safe for you, your children, whoever's going to use this range. Now let me show you the number one style. It's the safest range. Right over here. This is one right here. So looks a lot like what we just saw, but this is more safe than all the rest. And the reason that is, not only is it missing any kind of rear controls, but this is an induction cooktop on here. So induction is what makes it the safe. Induction, these are just big magnets inside of here. So there's no actual burner. The burner is actually the energy that happens in the pot or the pan. So when you put that on there, then it starts to heat up. Not around here, just in the pan. So you're eliminating all the flames and all the heat source altogether, and that really makes it nice. Plus, when you turn off the pan, take the pan off, this instantly starts to cool down. Now I'll have some residual heat on there, so you don't really want to put a hand on there. But if I wanted to, a lot of the demos we do in the store, we'll put a $100 bill down there and boil a pot of water, and it won't affect the $100 bill because it's so safe. So a lot more cooler. The most efficient kind of range you can get is an induction range, and when you combine the induction with front controls, that's just everything you could ask for in a range. So America's number one safest range, induction slide-in ranges.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.